together, having fun. Truck time in the rain.